Hi, I'm a Mac.
And I'm a PC.
And I am a typewriter.
Mac's new video editing system makes home movies a breeze.
But Windows Vista makes formatting any business proposal lightning fast.
Well, I don't even have to be plugged in, and I come with whiteout. Go figure.
PCs come standard with top-of-the-line mobile technology.
The new MacBook Air is super lightweight and portable.
Well, I weigh as much as a microwave. But you can take me anywhere, provided you got a U-Haul truck.
PCs come with the best warranties in the business.
Well, you can't fix me because they don't make my parts. But I do come with America Online. Eh?
It is absolutely not true, Typewriter.
Well, at least I don't walk around all willy-nilly acting like you two don't exist now.
What are you even talking about?
Talking about you and Mr. Mac over there getting too big for your britches.
I think I understand.
Why don't we hang out anymore?
To be honest, we were pretty sure you were dead.
I'm as alive as ever. I've just been in a box in the tool shed behind the old McGrath place, covered in crunkly old leaves. Yeah!
Why didn't you just shoot us an email or something?
Email? What kind of tomfoolery is that? I've been sending you telegrams.
Telegrams? I don't think I even know how to use a
Here's a
telegram.
good one. I got it. I brought it with me from home. Dear Mac and PC, stop. Haven't heard from you in a while. Stop. If you're wondering where I am, I'm still in the shed. Stop. I think my owner lost the key to the padlock. Stop. It's not so bad, though. I'm home to a small family of squirrels. Stop. They keep their acorns in me, and their bushy tails keep my tight basket clean. Stop. Can't wait to hear from you, Typewriter. Stop.
My gosh, we're really sorry, Typewriter.
Yeah, we had no idea.
Oh, fine. You guys buy me a butterscotch, we'll call it even, huh?
Sounds good.
Let's get out of here.
Oh, one more thing, huh? I've got Columbo on VHS if you're interested.
Typewriter, I got some bad news about VCR.
What happened? Is he okay?